Welcome to Question with Answer. In today's video, we bring you part 2 of the most important Node.js interview questions and answers for 2025. If you're preparing for backend developer interviews, you don't want to miss this. Let's dive in. Question 1. What are global objects in Node.js? Answer. Global objects in Node.js are available in all modules without requiring an import. They represent variables and functions accessible globally, like __dirname, __filename, global, process, buffer, and console. For example, __dirname gives the directory name of the current module. Unlike browsers where window is the global object, Node.js uses global. But be cautious, adding variables to the global scope is discouraged for maintainability and modular design. Question 2. What is the difference between spawn and fork in Node.js? Answer. Both spawn and fork are used to create child processes in Node.js. Spawn launches a new process with a given command. It's suitable for running shell commands. Fork is a special case of spawn, designed specifically to spawn new Node.js processes. It uses a communication channel, IPC, to exchange messages between the parent and child processes, making it ideal for managing multiple node instances. Fork is mainly used for multiprocessing Node.js apps efficiently. Question 3. What are promises and how are they used in Node.js? Answer. A promise represents the eventual completion, or failure, of an asynchronous operation. Instead of using callbacks, promises allow chaining .then, for success and .catch, for error handling. In Node.js, promises help make asynchronous code more readable and maintainable. You can also use async await syntax to work with promises, making the code look synchronous, while still being non-blocking. Question 4. How is error handling done using try-catch with async await? Answer. When using async await in Node.js, you can use try-catch blocks for synchronous-like error handling. Inside an async function, wrap the await call inside try, and handle any thrown errors in catch. This provides a cleaner and more structured way to handle errors compared to nested .then, .catch. For multiple asynchronous calls, you can handle them individually or together inside the same try-catch. Question 5. What is middleware chaining in Express.js? Answer. In Express.js, middleware functions can be chained together, where each middleware calls next, to pass control to the next function. Middleware chaining allows modularization of functionalities like authentication, validation, logging, and error handling. The sequence in which middleware functions are defined is crucial, as it directly affects the flow of request handling. Question 6. What are environment variables and how are they used in Node.js? Answer. Environment variables are dynamic variables stored outside your application code. In Node.js, you can access them using process.env.variable_name. They are used to manage configuration, secrets like API keys, database URIs, or environment settings, for example, production versus development. A common practice is to use libraries like dotenv to load variables from a.env file. Question 7. What is cross-origin resource sharing and how do you handle it in Node.js? Answer. Cross-origin resource sharing or CORS is a security feature implemented by browsers that restricts HTTP requests to different domains. In Node.js, you handle CORS by setting appropriate headers like access control allow origin. You can also use middleware like the CORS package in Express.js to easily enable CORS with simple configuration. Question 8. What is process.env.node_env and why is it important? Answer. Process.env.node_env is a convention in Node.js to specify the environment in which the app is running, such as development, production, or test. It helps you conditionally load configurations, enable optimizations, or log differently based on the environment. For example, you might enable debugging in development but disable it in production to enhance performance. Question 9. How can you improve the performance of a Node.js application? Answer. Performance optimization in Node.js can involve 1. Using asynchronous APIs effectively. 2. Enabling clustering to utilize multiple CPU cores. 3. Proper caching strategies. 4. Minimizing middleware usage. 5. Optimizing database queries. 6. Managing memory leaks carefully. Monitoring tools like PM2, New Relic, or built-in Node Inspect can help identify performance bottlenecks. Question 10. What is the difference between soft real-time and hard real-time systems, and where does Node.js fit? Answer. Hard real-time systems guarantee response within strict timing constraints, like in medical devices. Soft real-time systems aim for a quick response but allow slight flexibility, like video streaming apps. Node.js is best suited for soft real-time systems, thanks to its event-driven, non-blocking nature. It's ideal for chat apps, gaming servers, and collaborative tools that require quick but not absolutely guaranteed responses. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.